Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set up mobile data on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have recently bought a new SIM or if you want to set up mobile data on your iPhone iOS 26, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to do first necessary settings. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have connected your physical or eSIM on your iPhone. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply make sure that you have purchased a data plan, and you have to make sure that you have set up the roaming data options, because it will save your data purchase while you are on traveling. So you have to make sure about that. So now if you want to set up mobile data, then you have to simply go to the mobile service, and here you have to make sure that your mobile service is working properly, and you have to simply make sure that you have turned on this toggle. And after that, you can simply make sure that you have turned off the roaming option. So here you can simply check for the data for voice and data, which kind of network you want to use, whether you want to use 4G, 3G or 2G, and you can also turn on the LTE. So after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Moreover, you can also turn on the limit IP address tracking option. This will limit your IP address tracking while you are using data. So you can also turn on or turn off your data roaming. If you turn this off, then you will not be able to use roaming while you are on traveling. So you have to make sure about that. Moreover, you can also select network selection, and after that, you can simply set it automatic, and after that, you can also check for your number, and you can also check for your SIM application and mobile data network. And after that, you can check the settings for internet settings for your mobile network provider. So here you can simply check all the settings, and after that you can simply restart your device and your mobile data, and you will be able to set up your mobile data without any problems. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.